So for example number 2, it says of the 3 graphs, which one is not a function? You probably already know the answer, but I'm going to go through that same explanation I just gave you for the previous example. We could check graphically by just doing a vertical line test. So if I take my pencil, which is like a vertical line, and I think about how many times my pencil intersects, well actually let's get something a little smaller like a paper clip. Man, that thing's gigantic when you zoom in on it. But if it only intersects one time, then we consider it a function. If it intersects more than once, then it is not a function. So you could do this visually just by looking at the graph and having a vertical line pass through the graph. One intersection is a function. More than one intersection is not a function. And it doesn't have to do it a lot. It only has to cross one time. So here, I've taken my paper clip and tried to make it as best I could a straight line. Okay? And so as I drop this straight line through, notice as I go across the entire domain, how many times does it intersect? Only once. As I come to the next graph, although it's a goofy looking graph, it's not a very straight line. As I come through, how many times does it intersect? Only one time as I go through the whole thing. Now on the third graph, as I go through the whole thing, doing well, uh-oh. How many times does that intersect? 3 times. Which one is not a function? This one. Hello. Okay? Does that make sense?